Hi, behind me is the Shell gas station in Sweden. I'm gonna go inside and show you how the Shell gas station look like, and I'm gonna get some gas, and I show you the price is 15.64 for regular gas. So let's get some gas first, and then I'm gonna take you inside. Now let's go inside the store and see how the store look like. Usually in Sweden, in all the gas stations, you can go inside and sit down and buy food and eat. We'll see this one has same thing. As you see, they have table. You can sit down and eat here. They even have toilet in every gas station. 1, 2. And you can wash your hand here. In Sweden, all the gas station is very clean inside and outside. You don't see people loitering. That's hot dog.
Ja, vill du ha lite te eller? Ja. Du står i den maskinen där, så står det varmt vatten i vänster på maskinen. Okej. Trycker du där så kommer du upp där. Ja.
Since I am full, I'm just gonna get one donut. They don't have a donut. I'm gonna get a muffin.
Hej.
Hi.
En muffin bara.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Var det bra så?
Sorry?
That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
Thank you.
There you go.
Here?
On top. Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good day, man. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. We'll see how Swedish muffin tastes like. Chocolate. I'm gonna go around and show you the store behind. I am amazed how clean is every gas station in Sweden. So.
GoPro.
Sorry?
GoPro.
Yes, GoPro.
Vilken nummer?
Number 12.
12.
Yeah.
Båda.
Yes. Both. Have a good day.
Sen. That muffin is really good.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and don't forget, I'm going to quit my job if I get at least 20,000 subscribers. Bye.